In this tutorial, I'll show you how to invest on Trading 212. By the end, you'll have a Trading 212 invest account set up, funds deposited, and your first stock or ETF purchased using the search tool with a clear understanding of commission-free investing, fractional shares, and pies. First, register on the Trading 212 app. Open the app, tap Sign Up, and follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Enter your details, set a secure password, and complete the quick setup so you can access the platform. Keep the app open as we move straight into the investing setup. Next, select the Invest account for stocks and ETFs. From the home screen, go to the Accounts area. Tap Open Account if prompted, then choose Invest. This is the account designed for commission-free stock and ETF investing on Trading 212. I'll confirm the selection and wait for the Invest dashboard to appear. Now deposit funds. Tap Add Funds or Deposit. Choose Bank Transfer as the recommended method. Bank transfer is typically reliable and cost-effective. On the deposit screen, select your currency, note the bank details shown, and follow your banking app's instructions to send the funds to your Trading 212 account. Make sure the reference or memo field, if shown, is copied exactly to avoid delays. Bank transfers may take a bit of time to arrive, so if you need funds instantly, you can deposit by card instead. To do that, switch the method to card, enter the amount, add your card details, and confirm. Once the deposit is successful, you'll see your available cash balance at the top of your Invest account. With your account funded, use the search tool to find assets to buy. Let's tap the search bar at the top of the app. Type the company name, ticker symbol, or ETF name. From the results, select the exact stock or ETF you want. On the asset page, you can see the price chart, key stats, and the buy button. When you're ready, tap Buy. On the order screen, choose how much you want to invest. Trading 212 supports fractional shares, which means you can enter a cash amount instead of buying a full share. For example, if the share price is high, you can still invest a smaller amount and own a fraction of a share. Check whether the order is set to amount in your currency or number of shares, then type your investment amount. Review your order details carefully. Confirm the asset name, the amount you're investing, and the account shown as Invest. If everything looks correct, tap Review Order. On the confirmation screen, then tap Confirm Buy to place the order. The order will execute at the current market price if the market is open. If the market is closed, Trading 212 will queue the order and execute it when the market opens. After confirmation, you'll see the position added to your portfolio in the Invest account. At this point, you're investing on Trading 212 with commission-free trades. Commission-free means there's no trading commission charged by Trading 212 on your stock and ETF purchases within the Invest account. You've also seen how fractional shares work, allowing you to invest precise amounts rather than whole shares. If you want to automate your investing, be aware of pies on Trading 212. Pies are customizable portfolios where you can allocate percentages to different stocks or ETFs and automate contributions on a schedule. This helps you build and maintain a diversified plan over time without placing each order manually. Even if you're not setting one up right now, it's useful to know pies exist for automated investing when you're ready. To recap on screen, you registered on the app, selected the Invest account, deposited funds by bank transfer or card, used the search tool to find your chosen stock or ETF, and completed a buy order using fractional shares if needed. Your Trading 212 Invest setup is complete, and your investment is now active in your portfolio. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.